bottlenecks in the industry right now are largely in the post-processing side, so everything after the printer. And that's something we've been working aggressively to solve, and explains our interest in AM flow. So we've been very impressed with the AM flow technology. Volumes continue to grow. We just can't continue to add human labor to simply sort parts.
We are focused on helping the customer get his wish manufactured in a fast, flexible, but high quality way. Printing is actually taken care of because the machines do the work. But as soon as things come out of the machine, you need some hands to fix stuff, like sorting and packaging. The technology that AM Flow presents today is the only thing I've really seen that does this in such a good way. They take away a lot of human hands. And if there's one thing that's really expensive in a company, it's human hands.